Let me introduce myself first. I am Muskan, a class 11 student studying at SkyChem Education. So I would not speak anything worthless. I would just describe my feelings about this quarantine situation, and I would also like to tell that how this quarantine affected our studies and how SkySir helped the students in order to tackle this problem. So as soon as lockdown started, so I was really very depressed that how would be the online interaction and how would I choose my teachers. Then after that, after wasting my initial 15 days, on the 16th day, I joined SkyCam Education. So they gave me the permission in order to take the trial classes for the 2 initial days, and after that you have to decide that whether you have to go for SkyCam Education or not. So I was literally very nervous because there was no offline interaction, and the sir also needs to put the extra efforts on the students. So only these thoughts were clashing my mind. So when I joined my main session, I was literally very surprised. The notable arrangements that SkySir had made for the students were really appreciable. I would say that, for example, you have to type D for the doubts, and you have to type E for the answers. If you have any doubt, then you need to ask to the sir without disturbing the class. So these arrangements were very effective, and we didn't face a single problem while attending the online classes. After that, the first thing I like about SkySir is that he designates himself as Guruji. So first thing, at the first time, it was looking really very funny. So I was thinking that why he is telling himself as Guruji. So after that, I understand that what is the basic difference between teacher and Guruji. A teacher is the one who instructs you, but a Guru is the one who constructs you. So these things were very appreciated, and I would also like to say that sir always starts from basic. Sir हमेशा basic से start करते हैं. For example, sir always perceived us as a KG student. Sir हमेशा हमें KG student के जैसे ही मानते हैं. तो फिर उसके बाद अगर हमारे concepts clear हो जाते हैं तो फिर कुछ दिनों बाद सर हमारी deep understanding को इतना clear कर देते हैं कि we are even capable to solve IITs and AIMS questions. So this is the best thing I like about SkySir. फिर the extra efforts which he put for the students, and the booklets, the DPPs, and all these things are really appreciable. So I would like to thank SkySir for all these things, and I would also like to say that thank you Guruji for all the things that you have provided to the students and all the extra efforts that you had made for the students. We will never let you down, and I promise you that your head will always be above the sky. Thank you.